Hello everyone, welcome back to our weekly market analysis video with me, Frankie, your market analyst at Markets4U. In today's video, we'll be looking at the key economic events and data releases from December 16th to December 20th, 2024. I've already set up my screen to display the economic calendar from the traders room at Markets4U. I've set the dates from December 16th to December 20th, covering this week's important events in GMT. Please remember to adjust to your respective time zones. Let's dive into this week's events. Monday, we don't have any high-impact events to focus on except US New York Empire State Manufacturing Index, so let's continue to Tuesday. Tuesday brings UK employment data and US retail sales figures. Canadian inflation data will also be released, followed by Japanese trade balance data. Wednesday features UK inflation figures and US housing data. The main event will be the Federal Reserve interest rate decision and press conference. New Zealand will end the day with GDP data. Thursday is packed with central bank decisions from both Bank of Japan and Bank of England. US will release GDP final figures, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, and initial jobless claims. Japanese inflation data will end the day. Friday concludes with UK retail sales, US personal income and spending data including Core PCE price index, and Canadian retail sales figures. This week's key market-moving events will be the Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday, followed by BOJ and BOE decisions on Thursday. Core PCE data on Friday will also be crucial for market direction. Now, let's go to the technical analysis. This week, we'll focus on pound sterling to US dollar and XAUUSD, gold, as both instruments are highly sensitive to central bank decisions and US core PCE data. Let's start with pound sterling to US dollar. With UK inflation data and Bank of England interest rate decision ahead, the pair typically shows increased volatility during such periods. Looking at the daily chart, pound sterling to US dollar has been trading below the 20-day moving average, the red line. Key levels to watch for pound sterling to US dollar are support at 1.2565 and 1.2487, meanwhile, resistance at 1.2676 and 1.2758. The price has been consolidating near recent support levels, with the 20-day moving average acting as dynamic resistance. The stochastic oscillator is showing oversold conditions, suggesting we might see a potential bounce. The 1.2565 support level is crucial as Wednesday's UK inflation data and Thursday's BOE decision could trigger significant movement. Now, let's turn to XAUUSD, gold. The pair faces an important week with Fed interest rate decision and US core PCE data. On the daily chart, gold has been showing strength, trading around the 20-day moving average. Key levels to watch for XAUUSD are support at 2,603.20 and 2,557.64, meanwhile, resistance at 2,705.75 and 2,750.02. The pair has been consolidating after recent gains, around the 20-day moving average. The stochastic oscillator is moving in the middle range, suggesting room for movement in either direction. The 2,603.20 support level has become particularly important as it aligns with recent price action. Both instruments could see significant volatility this week. Traders should be particularly cautious during the Fed decision on Wednesday, BOE decision on Thursday, and US core PCE data on Friday, as these events can cause sudden spikes in volatility and potential gap risks. Remember, always manage your risk carefully and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for this week's analysis. See you in the next video.